Hello everyone, I am Laila Banerjee from Laila's Creations. Today I am going to make a beautiful bracelet with brush wire and some crystal beads, some small crystal beads. These are 2.5 mm crystal beads and the greens are 4 mm, and this is drop shaped crystal beads, and these are 6 mm by 4 mm. And here I used brush wire, 20 gauge brush wire. I cut it in some pieces, and these are 4 centimeter each, and this is 26 gauge brush wire, my wrapping wire. You can see it is 4 centimeter. You need 5 to 6 pieces of wire. Now I am wrapping it. You can see I make a loop here on the top of the wire, and then I am wrapping it with my 26 gauge wire. Wrap the wire 3 to 4 times, not more than that, and then I insert my 4 mm crystal bead, the green one. You can see here. Now I am going to insert these small beads, small crystals, in my 26 gauge wire. Then wrap it around the green crystal like a flower, you can see here, and then wrap it once in the bottom wire, and then I again insert 4 small beads here, and then close my flower. And I am wrapping this just 1 to 3 times, and cut the wire properly. Now I am making a loop in the bottom, and my flower is ready. Now I have to make some more flowers like this. Now I am going to make some links here, and you have to cut some of the 20 gauge wire again. It should be smaller than the rest of the wires. It should be 3 centimeter each, otherwise you have to cut it. I made the links with my drop shaped green crystals. Now I am going to put all together, one link and then one flower, and so on. Bracelet making is a fun for me. You can try this. It's very easy and relaxing. I always choose 20 gauge wire for this type of bracelets. You can also use 21 gauge. You can easily create shapes with these wires. It's looking nice, but now I have to measure this one in my hand. It's okay or not. I have to make a S here or lock and put it here. And now I have to make a hook, and there it is. Just add this link. Now it's ready to wear. It's looking nice. Do you like this? Please comment. With the help of the charms, you can make earrings, necklace, and also rings. Please like and subscribe my channel for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.